Assembly, so if you could please take off your hats and be respectful as people are talking and the slideshows are being presented. We are honoring this wonderful basketball team today with 3 awards. The first one is the UIAAA Award, which is an academic award. This team had the highest GPA average of all the 2A girls basketball teams. So give them a round of applause for that. They were also able to win region, and as everyone knows, Saturday they were able to get that state title, so please give them a round of applause for that one. We will now hear from Melanie Bassett, the head coach, so please give her attention.
Okay, bear with me because my voice did go after that game. So please welcome your 2020 2A state champions. Managers, McCall Wardle, Lacey Taylor. Our freshman girls, Itzel Munoz, Oakley King, Maya Latham, Kara Camp. Our sophomores, Aubrey Lunt, Shaylee Baraston, Paige Cummings, Mary DeGraffenried, Hannah Coyle, and for our juniors, Eliza Swallow, McCall Alberto, Audrey Camp, and now for our seniors, Camilla Robinson, Cadence Coyle, Riley Miller, and Cobry Penny. So on the 22nd day in the second month of the year of 2020, the Lady Eagles made their second appearance at the 2A state championship game, going in ranked as the 2nd seed, playing the North Summit Braves, who has won 22 games this season. They were coached by 2 male coaches, 2 female coaches, and had 2 female managers. They also had 2 Swallows, 2 Kings, 2 Camps, one of which was number 2, 2 McCalls, and 2 Mayas. In the second quarter, Millard held North Summit to only 2 two-pointers. 2 players from Millard had to leave the game due to blood. Later in the game, 2 players from Millard would foul out, while North Summit's only remaining starter to end the game was number 22. With seconds left in the game, Millard found themselves at the foul line shooting 2. Those 2 foul shots sealed the deal. Millard won North Summit by 2 points. The Millard girls team now has their second 2A state title in 2 years. To celebrate this great feat, they had an assembly at the high school at 2 p.m.
Woo!
These may not be 2s, but at practice, the girls would do 7 rounds to complete their workouts. In the championship game, they played 7 quarters with an ending score of 77. You can clap now for that.
Woo! Woo!
they came out with a prediction and an evaluation for the 2A bracket. It was commented under North Summit that it would be a huge shock if North Summit didn't win the title this year. Then on Saturday, the day of the championship game, on the radio, Robert Lovell announcing all the games to be played that day. When he got to announcing Millard and North Summit, he mentioned that it would shock the world if anyone beat North Summit. And that Millard just happened to be playing the team who gets to try and do it. Well, girls, stand up. Turn around. We shocked the world. This team has accomplished a lot this year. At the first of the season, they set a goal to be state champs. Their motto was, "Our vision is 2020, make it happen." We then set little goals that would help us to get to this ultimate goal, one of which was be Region 18 champs. They accomplished it by losing only one close game in region. Good job. But these girls aren't just dumb athletes. They then received the honors of being the 2A state academic team with an average GPA of 3.933. With those smarts, they had a lot of trust in each other. And in us as coaches. I know a lot of parents and fans were wondering what in the heck were we doing, guarding only 3 players and leaving 2 wide open. Or at the end of the 4th quarter and double teaming number 12, Kennedy McQueen, and leaving another possible very good shooter open. A trust like that only comes from those you love and can call family. We aren't just players and coaches. We are friends, we are a team, and we are family. Girls, you will remember this for the rest of your life. But most of all, I want you to remember what you had to do to get there. It wasn't easy by all means. The hard work, the sweat, the tears, it will all pay off in the end. And I'm not just referring to sports, but with everything in your life that you are faced with. I love you, girls.
Okay, we will now have a little word from the seniors now, so if they please come over here. And then after that, we'll watch a slideshow.
We just want to thank the student body for going down and supporting us, and our parents for going to all our games and supporting us, and the coaches for making us better basketball players, and just people in general throughout the years. I love you guys.
I just want to echo what Kaden said, and this year we had a lot of highs and lows, and we were able to come out on top in the end.
Thank you so much too for every game you guys came to, not only just in the playoffs but the year. It made a difference in how we played, so thank you. And I want to thank my teammates for pushing me and pushing everyone around us. They're a great group of girls on and off the court and amazing coaches as well, so thank you. I also want to thank the student body. You guys are great, and I'm so grateful for this team and my amazing coaches and all of our families that support us too. So thank you. And thank you to the band. You guys are great.
Okay, ladies, you guys can go sit down now, and we'll have a slideshow from Joel Swallow.